Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read futa or ni in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means two. It has two strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ni. On its own, it is usually futa. Two lines means two. Easy to remember. Now, let's write it. Two strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Ni means two. Futari means two people. And nigatsu means February. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ichi, read ichi, one. Sun, read sun. Notice the small differences. So, that's ni, two. Two strokes. Read futa or ni. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.